In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stock on Robinhood. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a company, choose how much to invest, pick the right order type, and place your first trade with confidence. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone or the website in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen or dashboard. From here, you're just a few taps away from buying your first stock. Next, tap the search bar at the top. You can type a company's name or its ticker symbol, the short code used in the market. For example, Apple is AAPL and Tesla is TSLA. As you type, Robinhood will suggest matches. Choose the company you're looking for to open its stock page. On the stock page, you'll see a price chart showing how the stock has moved over different time frames, recent news headlines that might affect the stock, and options to trade. Take a quick look at the chart and any relevant news so you're not buying blindly. A quick scan helps you understand the current price and recent momentum before you commit. When you're ready, tap Trade, then tap Buy. This takes you to the order screen where you'll decide how you want to invest. You can buy using dollars or by selecting a number of shares. If you choose dollars, you might enter something small like 10 or 50, and Robinhood will automatically convert that into a fraction of a share if fractional shares are available. If you prefer shares, enter the exact quantity you want. For many beginners, using dollars is simpler and helps you start small. Before you submit, pick your order type. A market order buys right away at the best available price, which is fast but can vary slightly as prices move. A limit order gives you more control. You set the maximum price you're willing to pay, and the order will only execute if the market reaches that price. If it doesn't, the order won't fill, which can be a good thing if you're price conscious. Finally, review the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the ticker, amount, and order type look right. Then swipe up or tap Confirm. If it's a market order, you'll typically see it fill almost instantly. If it's a limit order, it may stay pending until your target price is hit. A few quick tips to wrap up. Consider starting with a small amount using fractional shares. Always glance at the chart and news first. Use market orders for speed and limit orders for more control. That's it. You've just learned how to buy stock on Robinhood.